so I finished the Summit loop, and now I'm on the Discovery loop. It's going to take me back toward the campground. I'm going to use the bathroom, then get back on the trail. For those of you who've been keeping count, I've been on the trail now since around 8:30. Right now it is 1:15. So I've been on the trail for a while. I'm also gonna be hiking back the trail to my vehicle, which is up at the visitor center. Like I say, right now I am on the Discovery Loop trail, and right here behind me is a very cool little feature. You could probably hear it. I'll let you take a look at it and experience this with me.